Hello, my dear viewers and my dear children and my dear students and my well-wishers. This is Naranjan, teacher in English. Welcome to Official Language channel. Today, I would like to explain a brief nutshell about how the sentence can be, we find imperative, interrogative sentence and exclamatory sentences also we find in a single sentence. Now, we learn. I sent a message. I sent a message is an assertive sentence because starting capital letter ending with full stop. Starting capital letter ending with full stop is called assertive sentence, which gives a complete meaning. Is called assertive sentence. How the sentence can be converted into imperative sentence? Now we find. So when the subject is left, when the subject is left in the sentence, send a message. Send a message is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. So this is imperative sentence deals with orders, suggestions, requests, offers, proposals, advice, etc. Likewise, the same sentence, the conversion into imperative sentence when the subject is, displaced. When the subject is displaced here, we find send a message is an order. An order. That's why it is an imperative sentence. Now, when we move to, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Now the question here, WH questions and yes or no questions already we discussed in the last class. So here WH questions or yes or no questions we find here when the when the verb is here helping verb do. When the helping verb is do here, so because in simple present tense, that's why when the helping verb comes in the beginning of the sentence, it comes in the beginning of the sentence. That is yes or no question. In simple present tense, do I send a message? Do I? Can write here do. Do I send a message? This is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence can be divided into two types. That is WH questions and yes or no questions. When we write the helping verb, here in beginning of the sentence, when it comes to beginning of the sentence, it is interrogative sentence, yes or no questions. WH, when we put here WH word, so why? Why do I send a message? Why do I send a message? When we place the WH word in the beginning of the yes or no question, then it becomes WH question. That is interrogative sentence. Now in this class, how the sentences can be converted into different forms. We are using the same sentence. Now exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. How the exclamatory sentence can be found. Now we learn. See, for example, when we write WH word, how, or you can write what. You can write what. What a beautiful, what a beautiful message. What a beautiful message I send. Now put the exclamation mark. Now put the exclamation mark. What a beautiful message I send. Otherwise, you can write like this. If the message is just if you delete or clear, what a message I send. what a message I send. This is also an exclamatory sentence. When we, use the double H questions, don't confuse here. When the, double H words also are permitted to write exclamatory sentences. But one thing we have to find the little, what you can say, contrast between the interrogative sentences and exclamatory sentences. The small change is nothing but exclamation mark. After that, exclamation mark is important. What a message I send. See here, after that, what a message here, the subject here, after the subject, so what a message I send. This is the subject here. I is subject. After that, verb is placed. After that, verb is placed. So when the subject after that verb is placed, here what a message, then this is after that the exclamation mark is there. That's why it is a exclamatory sentence. After that, now if you want to convert the sentence into assertive sentence, what here cancelled, here it is cancelled. So I place here subject, okay, I is placed in the beginning of the sentence. After that, send verb. I send a message. I send a message is a assertive sentence or a declarative sentence. So this is the way we find the sentences can be converted into assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory sentences. Once if you focus, or if you think in a different dimensions, then it is possible to get a much more what you can say command over the subject. I think that I hope that you can understand this video. If you like this video, please put a message and comment session, and subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you very much.